I'm gonna get ya.
Please just shit. Oh, my head hurts.
Oh, pain.
Motherfucking damn.
Yay, I killed him.
Never mind, Karen. What the fuck? This edible ain't shit. I'm coming for you. Why does your ass look so shut up?
You rejected me.
I love water. Are you okay?
Oh, I need revenge.
What the?
Take this and that, yeah. This and that, and then yeah. This and that. Gonna beat your ass today.
Get over here. Come on, guys, let's go. When are we not gonna have an adventure today?
Huh? What is this?
Oh, I see.
Oh,
That's
interesting.
really
Yeah,
cool. Who's the one making the? There's no one here. Just air.
Let's
I
go.
want to go home. Kind of reminds me of the red
that?
stick figure. It's really cool. Yo.
Ooh,
Wait, don't do
yeah,
that.
yeah.
Oh no, stop. Grab my hand. Okay. Troll. No, you. Let's kiss. Let's do the opposite, okay? Wrong direction.
Hey, God, you fucking dude. I bet.
Stop singing that stupid song! Oh my god. Nah, I'm good. Oh, you said you like it? No. Get his leg down. No. Guess what? Yo, mama's so my mother is respectable! Welcome to the website where people fight about their opinions. Just more. You said you wanted more? My back. And your pelvis. You're fire. No to the fucking you. You no. We take this. Welcome to Twitch, motherfucker. Hey, kitten, hop on the bed. No. My superpowers are inspired by Iron Man. Got you. Fucking there. Oh, my head. Let me burn back. Fucking jackass. What the? What are we gonna do, guys? If you talk like that one more time, I'm gonna roundhouse kick you in your face. Shut up, Yellow. Let's hide. Motherfucking damn. I'm into this shit. Power out too. God, I'm so hungry. Oh God, no. What I've his yes, I did it. Oh, motherfucker. Surrender now, Black. I forgot your name instead of the chosen. Oh, my back. Super Mario Brothers spikes. I take this. Okay. Oh my god, my body. Okay, I can get revenge on this back. Hacking. Okay, I got the password. I'm gonna do this. Wait, Yellow. Huh? Every single day, I gotta deal with this stupid ass trash all over my PC. Like this one over here, I'm gonna put it in here. Like this always shit always here. And help. Okay, another. It would be another of those viruses. No, thank you. Okay, gotta pick this one up too. Play. No. You know what? I can't. They've come back. Okay. Is me yellow? Oh yeah, of course. Yes. Okay, this better not be hacking my computer, I swear. Me type, I'm typing. Yes. Yo, guys, it's working. Oh my God, he's up there. Yes. Dude, I think I got hacked. Look, the text is red. Oh my God. Now I gotta give it some weight.
Well, isn't this interesting?
I'm gay for you, yellow. Bro, what the? Oh God, not again.
So do I just drag?
What the? Why is this so easy? Huh? Yes. Oh God, no! Say thank you. No, go down. Not so strong now, little man. Oh my God, look, I caught a little fishy. And just tab. Yeah. Good job, Alan Becker. Thank you. You're welcome. Stop! Hey, get over here. Take this and that.
Oh yeah, this is getting intense. Ooh, take this and that. Ooh, yeah. Take this and that. Ooh, oh my, it's gone. It's getting difficult. Oh God, rocks and rocks.
Spider. Oh wait, it's a spider. Oh God, they're back. Ow, my hips. Oh God, I can do anything. Oh, hey, you're back. Give me a hug. Oh wait, went the wrong way. Rising again from the gumball spark pitch. Like, get away from me. Stop biting me. Oh, this feels so weird. I'm all Motherfucking damn! Yeah, take them, spiders, yeah.
Well, fuck, I failed.
No! I can't do this no fucking more. Hey, redhead, you might cover your toys. You don't even know your fate, hedgehog. Balls, kiss shit. Oh God, spider. Fate, black man. I mean, chosen one. Stop! What you're doing is wrong. Go fuck yourself.
I just can't. I think now this is actually.
Shut up, Soleil. Yo, you cannot do this no more. This is illegal. No, I have my own plan. Come over here now, bitch. Such an easy task. I'm ready.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
These nuts?
Yeah, let's do this. Because you're here. Hold on. Let go of green. What the hell? Oh God, what do I choose? I'm
care of it. Now, let's eject all the viruses in the world. Spiders, come here. Huh? The World Wide Web. Why am I British? Now go in there. Yes, my babies. Yes. Yes. Feed on me. This. I'm still alive. Get the fuck. I'm gonna go to you. Get this. Yes. Time to do this. Go. Let it go in the air. No. Friends now. What in the actual Adobe Animate is that? I'm back here, guys. Where are they? Computer. Yo, I'm alive. What the hell? I'm alive? Yo, what the fuck? I'm alive? Yo, I'm alive. This is awesome. Oh, God, we missed you. Oh my God, yes. Thank you, guys. But I'm lesbian. What? Boy, what the hell, boy? Huh? 1 pixel up, then fall to the ground. Me sleeping. Second coming. Funny, right? Second coming. Are you okay? 100 pixels up. Yo, guys, I had this really cool dream where. Wait, am I still in a dream? Someone wake me up. Can you wake me up? Hey, hold on. Can you wake me up, please? This is so fucking crazy. Come over here. Let's get in the hug. I missed you, buddy. What the? Holy fucking shit, cum balls piss. Please give me your power. I don't know what part you're talking about. What? Let's go home.